Welcome to USA Tech Picks. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best PC cases on Amazon featuring style, airflow, and next-gen compatibility. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cooler Master delivers the MasterBox Q3OL, a sleek micro ATX tower designed for flexibility and airflow. With a magnetic dust filter, transparent acrylic side panel, and fully ventilated design, it keeps your system clean and cool. The adjustable I/O panel lets you customize your setup with ease, perfect for gamers and compact builds. Number 2. Corsair introduces the 350X ARGB Mid-Tower ATX case, designed to take your PC build to the next level with stunning visuals and top-tier performance. The panoramic tempered glass design allows you to showcase your components from every angle, creating a visually striking centerpiece for your setup. It's built to support reverse connection motherboards, offering enhanced flexibility for a variety of configurations. Plus, it comes equipped with 3 Corsair RS120 RGB fans to deliver brilliant lighting and superior airflow, keeping your system cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. With its sleek white finish and premium features, this case is perfect for gamers, content creators, and PC builders who want a combination of performance, style, and cutting-edge technology. Number 3. Corsair presents the 4OD Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX case in a striking white finish, designed to meet the needs of high-performance PC builds. Featuring a highly optimized airflow design, this case ensures your system stays cool even under heavy load, making it perfect for gamers and professionals who push their PCs to the limit. The clean layout not only enhances airflow but also makes cable management easy, ensuring a tidy and efficient build. The tempered glass side panel gives you a clear view of your components, allowing you to showcase your setup with style. Inside, the spacious design accommodates modern GPUs, multiple storage drives, and various cooling options, including room for additional fans or a radiator for liquid cooling. Whether you're building a gaming rig, content creation setup, or just want a functional yet stylish case, the 4OD Airflow offers everything you need in a compact, sleek package. Number 4. MSI brings you the MPG Gungnir 110R, a premium mid-tower gaming PC case built to deliver both performance and striking style. This case features a full tempered glass side panel, allowing you to proudly display your components and create a visually stunning build. It comes pre-installed with 4 RGB 120mm fans, providing vibrant lighting and superior airflow to keep your system cool even during long gaming sessions. With support for liquid cooling, including up to a 360mm radiator, this case ensures your components stay at optimal temperatures. The MPG Gungnir 110R also boasts a bold two-tone design that makes a statement while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig or a workstation, this case offers the perfect blend of cooling, customization, and eye-catching design for gamers who demand both power and style in one package. Number 5. Vetru unveils the L90ATX PC case, a sleek and modern case designed for high-performance setups. Featuring a stunning 270 full-view tempered glass panel, it allows you to showcase your build from every angle, giving your system a premium, custom look. The case comes pre-installed with an ARGB NPWM FTB fan to ensure optimal cooling right out of the box. It supports up to 10 fans and can accommodate a 360mm radiator, providing ample cooling options for even the most demanding setups. With Type-C readiness and full compatibility with next-gen components, including 40 series GPUs, this case is built for future-proof performance. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, the Vetru L90 offers superior airflow, style, and the flexibility to build a powerful and visually impressive system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to USA Tech Picks for more top tech finds. See you in the next one.